Hello children, it is time to learn about a new letter and today's letter is letter P. This is capital cursive P and this is lowercase p in cursive. This is print P, letter P in print form. We will learn the sound of letter P and P says P, P. We will also learn the associated vocabulary of letter P through a story. The words that begin with the sound of P. We will also consolidate the words, that's vocabulary, through activities. So let's begin. Today's story of letter P is about Peter's paintbrush. Hello friends, I am Peter and I am preparing for my summer party. Party? I have a lot of things on my list and I will paint them one by one. Paint. Look what I've got. I have paint, paintbrush and paper. So, please repeat after me. Paint, paintbrush, paper. I want to paint some pictures for my party decoration. Let me think what to paint. Oh yes, I love birds. So let me paint some birds for my decoration. This bird has got beautiful feathers and it loves to dance in the rain. It is a peacock. Peacock. There is another bird that is green in color and has got a red beak. And it loves to repeat everything we say. It is a parrot. Parrot. I would like to draw one more bird. It is white and black in color and it lives in cold places where there is lot of snow. I think you've guessed it. It is a penguin. Penguin. Now I would like to paint few things that I want for my party snacks. So this is a fast food and it is cut into slices. It smells cheesy and it often has a lot of toppings on it. Yummy! It is a pizza. Pizza. Pizza for my party. We often buy these when we go to watch a movie. And when we make it at home, when we heat it, it pops and pops and pops and becomes big inside. Do you know what it is? Popcorn. also want something healthy. So I want to make some juices and even have some cut fruit. Now this fruit, it's hard from outside and is yellow, sweet and juicy from inside. It is not a mango. It can also be cut into rings. It is a pineapple. Pineapple. There is something special I want for my party. I want to do a puppet show. And I want to tell my favorite story about 3 little pigs. Puppet show, pig. Hurrah! Finally, I am ready for my party. I have got my paintings ready, my party food ready, and my puppet show with my pig puppets. It's time to revise all the words that we just learned. Paint, paintbrush. Children, please repeat after me. Paint, paintbrush. Peacock. It has got beautiful feathers and it loves to dance in the rain. And do you know, peacock is also the national bird of India. Peacock. Parrot. Parrot. Penguin. Penguin. Popcorns. Popcorn. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pizza. Pizza. Puppet show. Puppet show. Pig. Pig. It's time for an activity. The first activity is peacock art. You can trace your hand with a pencil or a crayon, and then you can make the head crest, legs and eyes of the peacock and make a beautiful design of its feathers. You can use color pencils, crayons, sketch pens. And the second method is, you can also use paint if you've got paints at home and get a handprint. You can either make handprint using one hand or with both the hands. Once the paint dries, you can use paints or crayons to turn it into your beautiful peacock. Activity 2. Puppet show. You can use an empty carton box you don't have one, you can either use a cereal box. The boxes of your Chocos and empty box of Kellogg's, whatever you have at home. If you do not have that, you can either use a shoe box. Cut the shoe box and create a puppet theater of your own. If you have nothing, no carton boxes, no shoe boxes, don't worry. You can just stand behind a table and perform your puppet show. You can make your own puppets, or you can use your toys as characters for your story. Invite your family to your show and use your puppets to tell your favorite story or any story you want to tell them. Do enjoy doing this activity, and remember to send your videos or photos to Archana ma'am. Take care and enjoy yourself.